loaded truck here, huh? We haven't, I don't think you guys have got to watch loaded truck in quite a while, to be honest. This is that chip and saw sort that I was talking about. So it's anything from, those are a little bit long. Anything from a 9-inch top down. So the butt size doesn't really matter. God dang it. See, that's why I don't like them bucking them. Because I'm going to end up with something falling through. Just like that. Damn it. So I say this stuff, we should just leave it long or buck it short and put it on a short logger instead of messing with trying to. Oh well, we get the first layer on, it's not so bad. I'm definitely going to pull that one up. Should only have a couple of them short ones like that. The rest of them should be 40 feet long. God dang it, there went another short one. Good way to tear hoses up and get a driver all pissed off at you too. God damn it. Yeah, how about you guys watch me do stupid crap? Sounds like a brilliant idea. God dang it. I got 3 or 4 of them fell through. This is why I hate cleaning up after another shovel operator. Thanks, Steve. Jackwad. You can do that. You have to separate your long stuff from your short stuff. Goddamn bouncing son of a bitch. Another one there, but I gotta get this one out first. That one's was long enough if I don't break it. God damn it, son of a bitch. It's clear underneath. Oh my God. Yeah, thanks for doing a bang up job, Steve. Which one is it?
Third one on the bottom there, driver's side, third one in.
That little one, okay. God dang it. Yeah, this is pretty proud of doing loading like this, that's for sure. Chute's fucked up, plugged up, sorry. Still pretty damn long, Jesus Christ. Be right back. Slow moving hunk of crap. Alright, here we go. Need to tell that chaser I got a long one sticking out the end of that truck. I need wax off the tail end. God damn. What the hell are we doing? Shoot, this is the truck that don't have any stake extensions. God dang it. There ain't no way I'm getting him up to weight. Frick. God dang it. What the hell's going on with these long sons of behind? 41 feet. 41 feet. We gotta be able to pick them up, turn them, put them on a goddamn truck. Son of a bitch. God, just bouncing. Makes it really hard to be a nice, smooth operator. Nice thing about this chip and saw is they don't get all jacked out of shape at you for tearing logs up like that when you pinch them. Oh yeah, that was frickin' perfect. One log landed on this Jimmy Jackin' son of a bitch. God damn it. You just look awesome. I will be so glad when that new loader gets here. This thing is just, it's horrible.
Yeah.
Watch them grapples. Watch how much play is in this house.
Yeah.
See that? Like a fucking rocking chair.
Keep me guessing.
Come on. And then it doesn't want to swing because the Rotex is so wore out. Oh my God. You know what? These people are going to start to think all you ever do is whine. There goes the Skyline brake. You can hear it. Eek, eek, eek. Pissing and moaning about running if I ever got a chance to run like Rose's loaders. No, God, it gets frustrating after a while, but it is what it is. Nothing but a thing. Hell, look at them guys still run those like Dan Fritzwater and those guys. They're still running them Prentice and them hoods. Oh my God. And they're good loaders, you know, but holy smokes. I mean, I was lost. I was like, oh my God. Come on. Roll. I guess Works out for an old cowboy once in a while, don't it? I'm gonna go clean that chute. Give me all the steak you got. Yeah, if you got steaks, put them up. Just going right here at the bottom of the hill. Hell, we'll just take that thing right clear to the top. Well, crud. What the heck's going on now? I said, Jesus Christ. I guess that Skyline's peeling off again. Instead of going over there and do something about it, we're just going to stand there and talk. Jesus Christ. Well, maybe we can get a shot down on the rigging, huh?
5.5 and
3. Yeah, you're almost to your orange mark. I wasn't picking any higher. Not gonna hold it anyways. Don't pick that goddamn Skyline any tighter than that with that fucking car out there. God damn it. You hear me? Dustin, copy. Do not, God damn it. Hell, your orange marks right there are only a couple of feet up. You ain't gonna pick that thing up any tighter with that fucking car out there. God damn. Jesus Christ. If they're picking that Skyline up, how about we adjust that goddamn brake again? Jesus Christ. Guess I'll...
about 3.5 up here. Only at 1.5 back there.
You're just going to the bottom of the hill. Don't even go by a weigh station. Just load this sumbitch right to the top of the stakes, dude. God, some truck drivers. I don't know about truck drivers sometimes. Truck driver. Probably gonna get in trouble for that one. Well, you got 3.5 up here and only 1 back there. I don't know what to do with. Here's a noble idea. Quit worrying about it. I'm gonna repeat myself a couple of times. When they gotta go across scales and have to worry about tickets and whatnot, I get it. I don't want anybody else, to get a ticket, but they literally are going right to the bottom of the hill. They don't even have 2 miles of pavement. They go, down here to the bottom of the gravel. And as soon as they turn off the gravel onto the pavement, they don't even have 2 miles. And it's a back road 2 miles. And they're at the mill. So, God damn it. Sitting there talking, and I just freaking went and opened my gravels and let it go. Dumbass. How'd you like that, huh? That was a hell of a save. I can't believe the old Kimatsu moved fast enough to do it. What the fuck are we doing? The hook in is right there. Oh my god. That's good enough. Thank you very much, sir. Well, I guess I'll go see what the hook tender standing right there at the edge of the frickin'. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the heck? Instead of stepping over the bank, slacking the fucking turn off. Come on, Pitt. You got your car clamped on the Skyline. You're gonna pick a lot harder with that goddamn. That's plenty tight. God, that's part of the reason they're trying to pick the son of a bitch up bone fucking tight. Where the fuck's the paint at? Well, hopefully you guys got to see something. I just realized that that window's dirty. What are we doing? Go ahead on it. Jesus Christ. Obviously, I'm going to have to. I've been trying to stay out of Dustin's way and let him be the hook tender, but obviously I'm going to have to. Picking that son of a bitch bone frickin' tight. Stupid. Just gotta ship it back. Don't worry about it. Just let it fucking peel again. Jesus fucking Christ, are you fucking kidding me? Okay, that's it. I've had enough. Time for Daddy to go to work, I guess.